Well, the High Court in Polokwane, Limpopo is poised to commence the murder trial of a man accused of orchestrating a plot to hire 4 hitmen to murder his wife and her business partner. Stanley Leshabane is alleged to have engaged the hitmen for this gruesome act in the Polokwane industrial area back in October 2020. Now, the trial has experienced multiple delays attributed to factors such as alterations in legal representation and the assessment of Leshabane's fitness to stand trial, including also a medical report. But for more on this, let's cross live now to our reporter Lutendo Bobodi. Lutendo, good morning to you. I think firstly, provide us with what we saw taking place yesterday.
Yeah, thank you so much. A couple of high-profile cases here today, but of course the case we're talking about is the case involving Stanley Leshabane and his 3 accused. Yesterday, of course, as we said, 37 witnesses called, but 2 testified, and those were eyewitnesses. They gave, like I said, very graphic events or very graphic details of the events that unfolded on that particular day. So today, we expect that the police officer who was then an arresting officer in that particular case will be testifying, which is, of course, that makes it a very crucial day today in terms of testimony and testifying by the witnesses. Of course, as I said yesterday, 2 witnesses who gave the accounts of what happened yesterday. But interestingly, there isn't any cross-examination. It's just the prosecution asking the witnesses questions, and we think that probably the witnesses will be called again for cross-examination. But so far, that is what has happened. It took the whole day yesterday. Questions are being asked, and we are expecting that it will also be a very lengthy day today in terms of this trial, Nalit.
I mean, would be very interesting to hear where we are in terms of the sort of deliberations that are coming out of the trial in the courtroom. Maybe also talk to us about the demeanor of Stanley Leshabane as he sees the trial unfolding. Of course, there has been some of those conversations around his fitness to stand trial.
He's cutting a very composed figure, and he keeps on saying that he knows nothing about what happened. He was asked to plead, and he pleaded not guilty. So yeah, as I said, he looks quite composed, and he's greeting people. His relatives are there, and not only him, but also his co-accused. They also look quite composed. They look quite relaxed, and they are also maintaining that they are not innocent, they're not guilty, and the charges brought against them are not true, as they were asked to plead, and they all pleaded not guilty. The charges range from conspiracy to commit murder, and of course possession of unlicensed firearms and ammunition. Nalit.